the students will write a perfect essay with no errors. So it is more achievable objective for the students. By the end of the 15 minutes lesson, the students will be able to write a short paragraph with at least 5 sentences about their topic. So the achievable is this is the learning goal of the student. So unsa ba yung achievable, Miss Grace? Okay, thank you, Miss Grace. So, questions about achievable? Everyone?
What is achievable? Achievable. Achievable.
Ano ba?
Carmela. What is achievable? Easy to achieve. No, so maihimo lang kay dali sa mga bata. Mabuhat, very good. So dali na siya mabuhat. Achieve sa mga bata in a short period of time. Tinapit by time management. Tinapit time, specific time for each task. Very good.
So, nasabtan na ba ninyo sa achievable?
Yes.
Very good. Next, we have the demonstrable and measurable. Everyone, please repeat.
Can be demonstrated in a tangible way. Are accessible. Achievement and quality of achievement can be observed.
So, the demonstrable and measurable lesson objective is this means the lesson objective, lesson objective can something students can show in perform or produce. Like, this is not understanding lang, no, dili lang kay understanding, kundi improve. So, for example, by the end of the lesson, the teacher will give 10 items pieces. So, di ba, may nana, mag-inabay sa patuman sa eskwelahan. Or kung dili is, in 5, 3, 4, di ba, in middle 5, 3, 2, we have a debate. So, at the end of the class, the debate, each group, the teacher will be divided into 2 groups, and each group has one topic. Then, the group will be, brainstorming and share to the other group, so that the teacher can measure and observe that the students can really learn things. So, everyone, what is demonstrable and measurable? Miss
Mary.
Miss Mary, what is demonstrable and measurable? Like simple lang na ano?
What is measurable? I louder your voice. Mary.
Divide the 2 groups, like debate mountain.
Kasi pakutana di ay.
What is demonstrable and measurable?
What is demonstrable and measurable?
So thank you, Miss Mary.
Thank you,
So
Mary.
another, Miss Pauline. What is demonstrable and measurable?
Demonstrable is when a student is demonstrate sila kung sa ilang level. Measurable is the methods of teacher using the learning student.
Very good. Okay, so if ma-demo or ma-act sa learners ang certain task, and measurable is you as a teacher, you will measure if nabuhat pa sa mga bata ang task na iyong ipabuhat sa ilaha, kung achievable ba ang ilang ibuhat. You are going